I wake up early every day. I brush my teeth after waking up. I drink water in the morning. I feel fresh today. I'm ready to start my day. I take a shower slowly. I wear clean clothes. I eat a light breakfast. I check my phone once. I plan my day calmly. I go to work on time. I like to walk slowly. I listen carefully. I speak politely. I try to stay calm. I prepare simple food. I eat slowly and quietly. I enjoy my meal. I drink warm water. I take tea in the afternoon. I take short breaks. I finish my work patiently. I help others when I can. I feel good inside. I return home safely. I wash my hands first. I change my clothes. I take some rest. I relax my mind. I enjoy dinner with my family. I clean my room. I prepare for tomorrow. I feel peaceful now.